It's your day, it's a good day, it's a good day, it's a good day. Wake up full of purpose, fully blessed. Lights, camera, action, it's my time now. Gotta find peace somewhere.
Pressed for time but don't know what to do with your natural hair. So it is Tyiece hair, and I will be showing you guys my 5-minute high puff hairstyle that I do when I'm trying to get out the door really fast. So I start by removing my Humble Glow bonnet that I wore overnight. So I believe a foundation to a good hair day is to make sure that you are properly protecting your hair at night with a bonnet or some sort of satin pillowcase so that you can retain as much moisture as possible, so you don't have to work as hard in the morning putting moisture back into your hair. So now that my hair is all out, I'm going to be starting by moisturizing my hair. So you want your high puff to look nice and juicy and hydrated. So I'm using the Flora and Curl hair mist, and this is just a blend of water, rose water, glycerin, honey, all the good stuff in this hair mist. So this is going to hydrate my hair and wake it up for the day. So it was taking way too long to spray out of that bottle, so I just switched to my water bottle just to speed up the process. And right now I'm just fluffing my hair up. So you're not going to comb your hair or anything, you fluff it up. And then I take some oil. So I'm using the Tree Naturals hair growth oil. This is a blend of herbal oils that's going to seal in the moisture and also add a bit of shine to my hair for the day. I will leave a link to all of the products that I use in this video down below where you can find them easily. So after moisturizing and sealing my hair, I am gently finger detangling my hair. Not really finger detangling, but I'm just fluffing it out so that it can be formed into an afro, making sure to remove whatever knots formed and just giving it a nice fluff. So this is a time where I use my hair gel. So I'm using the Alakay Naturals Lemongrass Styling Hair Gel, and this hair gel is very strong, especially for 4C or type 4 hair types. It definitely has a great hold. As you can see, it clumps, which means that it's very strong. So I start by putting a clump into my hand, and then I warm it up between my palms just to dissolve it and apply it to the perimeter of my hair. So that is the only sections that I will be applying this gel so that my puff can lay nice and sleek. So I apply it to the front, the sides, and the back. After applying that gel, I take a smoothing brush and I just gently brush it into the hair. And I only brush the parts where I applied the gel to my hair. So that would be the front, the sides, and the back. Do not bring the brush straight through to the ends of the hair. The ends of the hair is very weak, so you only want to brush going at least midway up that hair shaft. To tie my puff into place, I am using the Swirly Curly Snappy hair ties. So these hair ties are very gentle and they are adjustable, and they help to eliminate headaches when I am wearing my high puff. So they are so useful. I absolutely love these. So it comes with like 5 different snaps, and you just take one and you snap it on each end, and you can make it as long as you want or as short as you want. So I find that 3 snappies really work well for a high puff because I can comfortably bring it to the front and then bring it around to the back to tighten it to my liking. So if you want your puff to be tighter, you can use 2. If you want your puff to be looser, then you can go ahead and use 4 or even 5. So I start by applying that hair tie around the perimeter of my hair. So as you can see, it's on my forehead and it's right below my nape. So after I have it like this, I am going to start by bringing it around. Make sure that you are still holding the ends of that snappy, and then you push the back up. So you can push it as high as you want it or as low as you want it, depending on how high you want your high puff. So I like my high puff to be like I would say medium level. It's not too high, but it's not super low. So once I get it to the height that I like it, I just bring it back around to the back so that it can be nice and tight and it's not loose. And then I snap those two snappies together. After snapping it, I just push it up. So this adds tension to the back of my hair so that it can come out nice and smooth. And then you can pull that hair up under that hair tie. Pull it up so that it's nice and taut. And there is no headache. This does not hurt me at all. It is so gentle. I absolutely love it. Whenever I want a sleek look around my edges, I use the Headband 24-hour edge control on my edges just to sleek them down a bit. So I only apply it to the very tip of my edges. I don't apply it all over the front section, and I don't apply it to the sides or the back, just the front. And then I brush that edge control into my edges, going in a curvature direction. So that is how I like to style my edges. Nothing too over the top or fancy, just nice and sleek and classy. After styling my edges, I go ahead and I begin to fluff and form my high puff how I want it to stand up. So take your fingers and just pull it going in a upward direction just to give it more volume. And then while I'm getting ready and taking a shower, I just tie my hair with a hair scarf. So this is going to allow my edges to set for the day while that gel and edge control dries. So after showering and getting ready, my hair and my edges are ready to go for the day, and my hair looks so juicy and hydrated. Moisture is key. Make sure that you are wearing your satin bonnet at night and moisturize your hair before you style it. So thank you all so much for watching. I will leave all of the links to the products I use in this video down below in the description box where you can find them, as well as coupon codes. See you in my next video. Give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly videos.